Okay, students. Today we discuss atoms chapter. Regarding this, we will discuss some previous competitive examinations questions. Okay, we move to the questions. First question is in terms of Bohr's radius a naught, the radius of second Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom is given by. Okay, this is the question. What they are asking means we know that Bohr's radius is directly proportional to the square of its principal quantum number. R is proportional to n square, we know. Okay, using this formula, we can write R2 divided by R1 equal to same thing. We can write n2 square divided by n1 square. Okay, see here R2 is same, R2 is same, and R1 is given. That is in question. It is given A naught. It is because in terms of Bohr's radius it is given a naught, and this is equal to n2. N2 means here 2 it is n value is 2 square divided by n1 square. N1 square means 1 square. Okay, 1 square it is. Okay, R2 divided by R2 divided by a naught. R2 divided by a naught equal to R2 divided by A naught equal to 4 divided by 1. It is 4 divided by 1 means again it is 1, not necessary to write this. Okay, this implies R2 equal to 4 A naught. Okay, answer is R2 equal to 4 A naught. Okay, now see in options it is answer is A. First one is because A equal to a is 4 A naught is there, and that's the answer is 4 A naught. Option is A. Okay, same thing. Similarly, we'll discuss second question and move the second question. Students, you read the question. I will explain. Okay, second question is the ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6 electron volt. Okay, already we know ionization energy of ground state energy is 13.6 electron volt. Following Bohr's theory, the energy corresponding to a transition between third and fourth orbit is okay. Okay, in question the electron will be transiting from fourth to third. Okay, transition will takes place from E4 to E3, and total energy is given. It is 13.6. Okay, and E4 minus E3. Okay, you can calculate that E4 minus E3. I will calculate that E4 means again it is we know already formula we know. I am writing here formula is E equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square. This is the formula. Okay, in this case n is there, n value will change here 4, and again this value will change to 3. Okay, same thing. I am writing E4. E4 means we can write like this minus 13.6 divided by 4 square minus this minus. Again it here minus is there. That's why I am writing bracket minus 13.6 divided by, and 3 is there here. 3 means here 3 square. Okay, and this minus into minus this becomes plus. Okay, this minus and this minus, this becomes plus. I am writing this is plus. Minus 13.6 divided by 4 square, minus 13.6 divided by 4 square, and plus 13.6 divided by 4 square. We can take that common, or simply we can calculate that E equal to minus 13.6 divided by 4 means 16 it is. 16 means minus 13.6 divided by 16, and this value is minus 0.85, minus 0.85, plus is there because minus into minus plus. It is 13.6 divided by 3 square. 3 square means it is 9. Okay, 13.6 divided by 9 means this value is 1.51. So the answer, final answer is E equal to I think it is 0.66 electron volt. Okay, in options the answer is D, 0.66 electron volt. Okay, question number 3. Read the question number 3. The ground state energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6 electron volt. The energy needed to ionize hydrogen atom from its second excited state. Okay students, second excited state means n equal to 2. You remember that? Sorry, n equal to, this is because second excited state, excited first 0 1 2 3, second means it is n value, it is 3. Okay, now see, we will discuss second excited state corresponding to n equal to 3. Therefore energy needed is we know already, electron will be jumping from E infinity to second. Okay, second means that is E3. Okay, transition of electrons will takes place from infinity to second. Second means that is 3 it is. Okay, it infinity means this value is 0 minus E3. E3 means we know already, because of this minus 13.6 divided by 3 square, because n value is 3 square. Okay, same thing, minus 13.6 minus 13.6 divided by 9. Okay, E equal to minus 13 point, minus into minus, this becomes plus. 13.6 divided by 9, 13.6 divided by 9 means just only we solved, it is 1.5. 1.5 electron volt. 1.5 electron volt means B is the answer. Okay, go to the question number 4th. But here options are not there. I will take one more board. Just you read the question. Hydrogen atom emits blue light when it changes from n equal to 4 energy level to n equal to 2 level. Which color of light would the atom emit when it changes from n equal to 5 level to n equal to 2 level? Okay, in this case energy will be increasing. Okay, energy will be increasing means wavelength will be decreases. Okay, sorry, they are asking frequency. Transition, maximum transition is okay, now see, difference of level increases means emitted energy increases, energy will be increasing means automatically wavelength will be decreases, and the decreased wavelength is moves towards the violet. Okay, and increased wavelength is goes to the red side. So the final in this case answer is violet. Okay, now see, options are given.